Welcome to the channel. In today's video, we are diving into how you can create the custom field in the lead section, and by the end you will have all the insights you need to see the usage of creation of the custom field and benefits of the creation of custom field. So grab a seat, hit that like button and let's get started. So for creation of custom field, we will select this one lead. So in this lead, in the last we have the option create field. From here you can create the different types of fields, that is the string, list, date, time, date, booker resource, address, link, file, money, yes no field, number field, additional field, or create the custom field types. So for now we will create one list field. So here we will add the list of products, and below this we will add the product, that is Bitrix 24 standard plan, Bitrix 24 professional plan. And here you will select the multiple option for selecting the multiples at one time. So when you select on this and click on the save, the field is created over here, that is the list of product. And in this list we will get the option, that is the standard plan and the professional plan. So that's how you can create the custom field in the Bitrix 24. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon for more content. Drop your thoughts or questions in the comments below and I will see you in the next one.